Joy from the Team Magyo. Today, I will make my unboxing for my Young Living Essential Oils. Actually, I ordered this last August 28 through online, and then after 3 or 4 days, I think, September 1, dumating na siya, and now I have this. And I want to share to all of you what is the Young Living Essential Oils all about, and what are the benefits, and how we can have this, and how many oils yung nandito sa loob. So now, I will show you what's inside the box. Now let's open the box. This is it. This is the packing list. So I need my eyeglass. So I have here the quantity. Actually, this is like the invoice, or the shipment number is all here. And then brochures from the Essential Edge. A lot of brochures from the Young Living. Connect with us. And this is the frankincense, one of the oils. Actually they say that frankincense is the king of the oils. So I like to know more about of these oils. And peppermint. So I have here another box. The Young Living Essential Oils. So this is, I think inside of this is the oils. Are the oils. So one box. Another box. Red box. Paper. So talagang ano siya. I know what's inside this box. I think this is the diffuser. So we put there, and I think inside these are the oils. This lavender box, I think, and the red one is the diffuser. So let's start first with our diffuser. Now let's see what's inside this red box. Seed to seal. So that's it. You see this? One paper and the other manual desert mist diffuser. So this is my diffuser. And then so these are for the charging, I think. These the cables. So we will check this later on. Actually I'm a bit excited about this because I heard of so much good things from these essential oils, especially for allergy, for the rhinitis, for the stress. Wow, look at that. It's a little. So these are the diffuser we will gonna use later on when we will use our oils. Of course. So this is for the, meron siyang 2 buttons here. I think for the on and off. And inside this is this one. So naka-ano talaga siya. And then another one. So I think inside this you will use the you will put the oils and a little water for the diffuser, for diffusing. And this is very good also for people na merong difficulty in sleeping or problems with yung nahihirapan siyang huminga. So this is our diffuser. So I put it there. And this, of course, this is for the, this is the charging, for the charge, the cable. And now, let's go to the main. This is my oils. So, well sealed siya with plastic. Actually, I heard a lot of things about these oils, and I already watched more videos from these oils once. And so here it goes. Young Living Essential Oil, seal to seal. This is the white box. So this is our main, or the main attraction. Wow! So I have 2, 4, 10 essential oils. I have this. The other one is, this is only one layer or 2. Let me check. This one. And another one. This. And so I have also these empty bottles here. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 empty bottles. And this is good. This is Ningxia Red. I also read so many things and watch a lot of videos about this one. This is drink supplement, I think. This is Energize, Fortify, Revitalize. Young Living Best. And the date is stated also here. So I have 2. This is 60 ml per sachet. So I have 2 sachets. And this one is the orange oil. And then I have also Stress Away. I like this. Stress Away. I think this is also good for my husband. Stress Away. Stress kami sa isa't isa. Actually, no joke. And this is for the roll-on, for the empty bottle. I don't know if okay siya dito. So, we will check. But, I want to show you this. This is the frankincense. This is the king of the oils. This one. This is the frankincense, the king of the oil. And I also have coke. Mahirap siyang tanggalin. So, what is this? This one. But I also have the lemon. I also have the lemon, the lavender, and then this one, purification, peppermint, and pan away. Pan away is for the word pan away, for the pain. So now, let's go. This is the pan away. So, from the name itself, pan away, pain away. And then the other one, kopaiba. I also have the lavender. Next is lemon. So for people who are asking, all of these are 5 ml bottles. This is 5 ml. And the peppermint. I also have the peppermint. And the purification. So, RC. I don't know what this RC means. And the types. So this. So this is my essential oil bottles. So on my next video, I will tell to you or show to you how it works and how I will use my diffuser. So I hope you will like, subscribe, and share our channel, Team Magyo. And hoping to see you around more. And bye-bye everyone, and God bless us all. Ciao!